Protest erupt over alleged BPSC 70th CCE paper leak. Re-examination scheduled. UPPSC PCS Prelims Answer Key 2024 released. Objections allowed until December 30. CLAT 2025 counselling postponed amid legal hurdles. Consortium to approach the Supreme Court. Winter breaks announced for schools in Delhi, UP and Punjab. NTA opens AISSEE 2025 registration for Sainik schools admissions.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top education news are: on December 24, BPSC chairperson Param Rai Manobhai ruled out cancelling the 70th CCE exams despite protest alleging a paper leak. The protesters demanded the exam to be cancelled following disruptions at the Bapu Pariksha Parisar Center on December 13th, where the exam was cancelled due to a staff member's death and disturbances caused by the candidates. Police used a baton charge to disperse the protest who blocked the traffic. The BPSE, however, will hold a re-examination for candidates at this center on January 4, 2025. Meanwhile, show cause notice were issued to 34 candidates involved in the unrest. The Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission has released the answer key for PSC Prelims 2024 exams. Candidates can review the answer keys for General Studies Paper 1 and Paper 2 and submit the objections via official website by December 30, 2024. To raise objections, candidates must submit their concerns by post or in person to the UPPSE office in Prayagraj by 5 p.m. on December 31st, 2024. The exam saw 42% attendance following initial protests. The UPPSE ensured a smooth process with strict security and monitoring by the police and investigating agencies. The Consortium of National Law Universities has announced that CLAT 2025 counselling will be delayed due to ongoing legal issues. The Delhi High Court has ordered the revising of merit list following objections to errors in the final answer key. The consortium will approach the Supreme Court for relief, seeking to overturn the court's directive. As a result, the release of the first merit list, originally scheduled for December 26, 2024, has been postponed. A revised schedule will be issued after the resolution of the Supreme Court appeal. Schools in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab have announced their winter break schedules, providing students with a festive break. In Delhi, schools will be closed from Jan 1 to 15, 2025. Uttar Pradesh schools will observe a break from December 25, 2024 to Jan 5, 2025. Punjab's winter break will run from December 24 to 31st, 2024. These breaks coincide with colder weather and holiday celebrations, offering students time to rest and for family gatherings. Schools have advised parents to check for any changes or updates to the schedules with individual institutions. The National Testing Agency has begun the registration process for All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2025, which facilitates admissions to Class 6 and 9 in Sainik schools, and approved the new Sainik schools for the academic year 2025-26. Eligible candidates can apply online from December 24, 2024 to Jan 13, 2025. The application fee is Rs 800 for General Defence OBC candidates and Rs 650 for SC/ST candidates, which will be paid by January 14, 2025. Candidates must meet age and educational qualifications. Class 6 applicants should be 10 to 12 years old, while Class 9 candidates should be 13 to 15 years old and have completed Class 8. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.